Morning guys, busy doing an oil change on my Combi's engine, and I thought I'd share a little trick with you guys that I came up with a few years ago. The engine itself is a 2110 in a bay window. I've got a slimline deep sump underneath there which takes about 2.5 litres, so this engine in itself takes about 5 litres of oil all in one shot. The trick that I want to show you is how to actually fill up the oil without spilling oil anywhere. What I did a few years ago was I took a oil pump that I got lying around spare, a cast iron oil pump, and converted it to did the full flow conversion on it, but on both sides. So I've got one line running into the oil container and another hose running into the engine. So using a drill on the oil pump, I can quite easily and slowly and carefully fill up the engine oil without making a drop of mess. Just have to take your time and job done. Thanks for watching.